Pickle Me Pickle JA, a hidden gem making waves with its range of homemade salsa delights. Here's Aisha Nation with this week's business review.
Flavor, aroma, the vibrant colors of the labels on the jars, sealing in the flavors, all part of a discussion had with a family member which brought forward the idea of Pickle Me Pickle JA. Janelle Wilkinson is CEO of the company.
The idea was motivated by me and my sister's liming. It was something that we'd like to, sit down and be able to bond. So it was our bonding experiences that brought about Pickle Me Pickle JA.
The fusion of tomatoes, onions, peppers.
Pickle Me Pickle came up because anything submerged in vinegar, Jamaicans, we call it a pickle. It really is a salsa. Two of our salsas that we do here at Pickle Me Pickle is our red herring salsa and our saltfish salsa.
And as for the flavor profile, Pickle Me Pickle Jamaica boosts a selection of salsas she says promises a unique experience for each.
Well, I don't think I have any competitors. Like I said, this is a niche. No one out there is doing a Jamaican salsa. Check the shelves. So basically, it's a Mexican salsa, and the spin on it is we add the red herring and the saltfish. And I think that's truly what makes it Jamaicanized.
And the company has more to come in the pipeline.
We're hoping to try shrimp salsa with the dried shrimp, and also we're hoping to do snack packs.
And that's not all.
Short term would be definitely to be in those supermarkets. I need it to happen now. This is a niche product. It's nowhere. And we're out here trying to advertise the Jamaican salsa brand. So I think that would be my short-term goal. My long-term goal, I don't think I have one of those yet.
From a startup of less than $20,000 to earning little over $500,000, she's urging those with business ideas to start now. Ms. Wilkinson says Pickle Me Pickle JA is not only expanding its flavor options, but also its reach. The business is currently online-based, where persons may place orders via Facebook and Instagram. Customized salsas are also on offer. The 5-year-old company has 5 employees and is looking to broaden its footprint. Pickle Me Pickle JA is planning to open a brick-and-mortar location at Hillview Avenue in the corporate area. It hopes to get into the export market and establish locations locally and outside of Jamaica. For the Business Review, I'm Aisha Nation.